Hi.
Hello, welcome to 17.
Hi, nice to meet you. Okay, so never mind, I will show the house. So this is a 1095 square feet 3 plus 2 bedroom unit in 17 facing the swimming pool view. When you come in straight, you will see the living room with a sofa, coffee table and also TV and TV cabinet. Okay, so now when we walk straight all the way, we will look at the swimming pool view from in front of your balcony. Yeah, so just imagine, wow, look at the swimming pool view. Yeah, so it's very nice. And then you can see SS2 from here also. Yeah, and then on the left side you can see KLCC and KL. Okay, so now let's look at the back. Okay, so when we turn behind, that is the main entrance we came in. Here's the living room and the TV. You can put your dining table down here also. Alright, and then you have the open concept kitchen, yeah, with a kitchen cabinet. So let's go and look at the kitchen first. Yeah. Okay, we go in here, microwave and a kettle, induction cooker and a hob. Alright, and then this is the yard. Can open. Yeah, and then you can see the washing machine is here. Okay, so behind here you have the grill, so it's safe, and your aircon compressor is there. Okay, close the door. Now we will look at this side. This is the fridge. You can actually put your fridge down here. Alright, the plug is here. So you put the fridge here. And this space you can put a built-in cabinet, or you can put a sliding door to have an extra storeroom. Okay? Yeah. So let's go. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 doors. This is the common room. Okay, has a nice view. You can fit a single bed or a queen bed with a side table. Alright. Then now you have a 3-door wardrobe, aircon and lights and fan also. Okay, good. So right in front of it is the common bathroom. Yeah. Comes with a mirror, WC sink, and also a shower with a built-in water heater inside here. Okay. Alright, so now we will go to the left road door. This is the master bedroom. You will notice that there is a built-in wardrobe on the right side. When you walk in, you can fit a queen bed or also a king size bed, no problem. You can put 2 bedside tables. There are the plugs behind of it, and also the view here. You can see SS2 from this side, or you can see the sunrise from this side. This is facing KL, right? So now we turn back. This is the 2 built-in wardrobes all the way up to the ceiling. Okay, and also the aircon is here. Alright, and then now we will go into the bathroom. Yeah, same thing, you got a mirror, WC sink, and also a side window for ventilation. Okay, so behind of the door is the shower. Yeah, and the water heater is on top also. Okay, so now let's just finish it up by looking at the last room. Yeah, in front of the master bedroom is the final room. This room is quite spacious. You have a window on both sides and you can fit a single or even a queen bed. Okay, bedside table, 3-door wardrobe, and also an aircon plus fan and lights. Okay, so now this brings an end to the viewing. So we will walk out. Yeah. So okay, thank you for showing us your unit.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for...
Lisa, if you're interested, please give me a call.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Wow, so nice. Okay, we will go first. Alright, thank you. Bye bye.